I'm Doug Wilson, President and CEO of Wilson Auto Group. What exactly is your FICO score and how does it affect you? I don't know about you, but credit scores can seem a little confusing, can't they? It's a number that summarizes your credit risk based on a snapshot of your credit report at a particular point in time. This score helps lenders evaluate whether to extend you a loan and at what interest rate. Your credit score is a vital part of your credit health. The most used credit scores are FICO scores. FICO scores mean better financial options for you. For instance, you can get loans faster. Credit decisions are fairer, and older credit problems count for less. So, how do you keep an eye on your credit score? While a bankruptcy or late payments can lower your FICO score fast, improving your credit score takes time. So check your score every 6 to 12 months or before applying for a big loan like a mortgage or a car loan so you have time to take action if needed. If you're actively working to improve your credit score, I'd check it monthly to review changes. Keep in mind, there's no single cutoff used by all lenders. Lenders use other information like information from your credit application based on the payment history of current customers and other credit scores. So, how do you improve your credit score? Here are some tips. Pay your bills on time. If you have missed payments, get current and stay current. Be aware that paying off a collection account or closing an account which you previously missed a payment will not remove it from your credit score. If you're having trouble making ends meet, contact your creditors or see a legitimate credit counselor. Keep balances low on credit cards. In other words, have credit cards, but use them responsibly. Pay off debt. Don't just move it around. Don't open new credit cards you don't need to increase your available credit. Avoid credit repair agencies. Don't open a lot of new accounts too rapidly. Apply for and open new credit accounts only when needed. The last thing I'll cover is how credit inquiries can affect your score. 1. Inquiries usually have a very small impact on your total score, usually 5 points or less. 2. Many kinds of inquiries are completely ignored. 3. The score allows for rate shopping. In other words, when you're looking for an auto or mortgage loan, they know that you may want to check with several lenders to find the best rate. This will not affect your score if multiple inquiries happen within, say, 14 days. The last advice I'll give you is to make sure that your credit report is accurate, especially to monitor it for identity theft. You have the right to obtain one free copy of your credit report every year from each of the 3 major reporting agencies. Go to annualcreditreport.com to get started. Again, I'm Doug Wilson with Wilson Auto Group. I hope this information was helpful. I do these videos as a service to the community to share my knowledge with others as a public service. Where there's a Wilson, there's a way, right? At the Wilson dealerships, our team of automotive professionals are eager to work with you to arrange fantastic and affordable financing so you can buy the newer used car that you want and need. I hope to see you in one of our dealerships soon.